Lisa notices peculiar zoning notices hidden beneath cheerful flyers at the Springfield bus stop today. She documents anomalies, cross-referencing dates with municipal bills while Bart heckles in background every day loudly. Homer stumbles upon Lisa's file folder, mistaking it for legendary donut recipes again this morning. He envisions monetizing controversy via a televised donut fundraiser, camouflaged as civic education for kids. Marge worries, while Lisa insists transparency, gathering classmates, teachers, and town volunteers for an exposé. We cut to Moe's, where Homer sells limited edition donut coins to patrons as fun advertisement. Mrs. Crabapple bans students from participating until safety checks verify truth in council chats today. Meanwhile, Chief Wiggum chases rumors, tripping over a donut box labeled Public Safety, and squeals. Lisa tests water samples, discovering harmless sugar traces masking deeper chemical anomalies beneath Springfield streets. Apu bakes celebratory pies while town hall debates budgetary math with Krusty on TV tonight. Homer's promotional donuts explode in a kitchen scene, splattering glaze across living room chrome everywhere. Lisa confronts Mayor Quimby, revealing documents hinting at a concealed donut-friendly redevelopment scheme that benefits. Bart crashes the meeting with a skateboard, delivering a running gag about wobbling leadership today. Ned Flanders arrives, offers neighborly prayers and suspiciously helpful questionnaires for residents to fill out. Springfield Elementary hosts a town hall assembly with Principal Skinner moderating politely while Bart chants. The conspiracy reveals a river of fake charitable funds, siphoned toward Burns' corporate projects secretly. Homer negotiates with Mr. Burns via taco truck sponsorships, brimming with dubious donuts and smiles. Marge worries the plan erodes trust, but supports Lisa's insistence on accountability and kindness anyway. Homer returns to donuts, discovering their profits fund a surprise community garden expansion for neighbors. Lisa presents data visualization, a chalkboard map showing funneling routes and community beneficiaries clearly tonight. The running gag escalates, Homer mistaken for donut savior, delivering speeches about love donuts everywhere. We cut to the library where Lisa reads town records, uncovering clever cover story words everywhere. Community garden grows, children plant herbs as elders recount Springfield's founding myths around the stage. Mr. Burns reluctantly admits hidden funds, then declares a benevolent museum financed by Donuts Forever. Springfield celebrates with a town-wide parade, Lisa refuses surrender, seeking structural reforms that empower everyone. Homer hands out free donuts shaped like cogs, symbolizing transparent governance and community participation everywhere. Apu grants production space for Lisa's data-driven documentary, featuring Nelson and Ralph as participants too. Final montage shows everybody learning, dancing, debating, and laughing through the same donut punchline together. Lisa smiles softly, genuinely recognizing power lies in truth, data, and community united Springfield today. We end with Homer devouring a donut, whispering, Constitution, community, comfort, D.O., justice, for everyone forever.